Here I have CUBOT Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off. And after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time. Just like this. After the screen turns on and you can see CUBOT logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the appeared menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset, then select yes, and after you see the message data wipe complete here, select the first option reboot system now. So now we select it, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.